Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. If you're new here, you're also welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and join the community so you can get notifications as soon as I drop a video each time. Our current theme is scholarships, and today I bring you another scholarship video, very quick one, on scholarships. And this is for people who are in the UK and have been granted indefinite leave to remain in the UK or discretionary leave to remain in the UK. So you're not a UK citizen, but you've been granted indefinite leave to remain. I'm really intrigued by this actual scholarship because I've not actually seen this anywhere else before or anything similar. So I'm going to quickly run through it with you, and please stay tuned to the end because it's a very short video today. So this scholarship is from the University of Westminster. It's called the Sanctuary Scholarship. So if you just type this all into your browser, or just like this, and University of Westminster into Google, you'll come to this page. Now, what is the scholarship? Now, this scholarship allows for one student who has been granted indefinite leave to remain or discretionary leave to remain by the UK Government Home Office a full tuition waiver. So what does that actually mean? Full tuition waiver, that means you do not pay any tuition fees because it has been paid for by the university. And on top of that, they will give you £6,000 towards maintenance costs up to a maximum of 3 years. So £6,000 a year, which is free money. You do not have to pay back. You don't have to pay back your tuition fee either. So let's say year one, tuition fee paid, £6,000. Year two, tuition fee paid, another £6,000. Year three, tuition fee paid, another £6,000. So over the course of 3 years, you could actually earn up to £18,000 free money that you do not have to pay back. So what is the criteria? So the criteria, you need to start your course in September 2022. You need to have a full-time undergraduate degree offer at the University of Westminster. You need to be classed as being granted indefinite leave to remain or discretionary leave to remain by Home Office. And this must be your sole reason why you do not qualify for student funding as a UK citizen or UK home fee status student. You must be under 25 of age when you begin your degree. You have to be currently living in the UK, and you are not eligible to apply if you already have an honours degree, basically, which is like a bachelor degree. And there's only one available. The deadline is the 1st of July 2022. We're just going to quickly look, if we can, at the application form. Hopefully my laptop is not too slow today. And here we go. So it's application for undergraduate sanctuary scholarship, 1st of July deadline, and then obviously you need to put your supporting documents as a PDF and send it to this email. You also need to include your Westminster reference and other things. So please do take time to look through this. If you are based in the UK, you have indefinite leave or discretionary leave, and you want to start undergraduate course, I would strongly advise you to look through this degree scholarship that is on offer, because I mean it's actually really good. And just read through it carefully, and it will ask you for things you need, and then you're going to put your personal details here, the course you've applied for, your qualifications today, your personal statement. Ensure you include your documents, and obviously provide evidence you have indefinite leave to remain or discretionary leave. You're going to sign it, and then what you're going to do is email everything back to scholarships at westminster.ac.uk. This is a fantastic a scholarship opportunity, I think, because you're getting your fees paid in full, and you're also being paid £6,000. You're not having to work for it. They're just giving it to you. It doesn't actually say which course, so that means it could be any course at the University of Westminster. So it could be a computer science one, it could be an accounting one, it could be law, architecture, nursing, there's different courses, but as long as you meet that criteria, that is the main thing. So if you're looking to start uni in September and you already have a course at University of Westminster, or you don't, look at Westminster, you might see something there, and guess what, you can apply for this scholarship and you might be the recipient of this amazing scholarship offer. So as I said earlier, in this video, please, if you're watching for the first time, you are welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, so you can get notifications like this as soon as I'm dropping videos, as soon as I'm releasing different content. Because trust me, there's so much I have in store in terms of topics and contents. So thank you for watching to the end. I want to say good luck with your applications. If you've ever want to apply for this one or any of the other ones I've said in other videos, and God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.